Boys, good morning. Good morning. Tommy Two Tones, how are we today?
I'm alright.
Jordan, welcome back.
I'm feeling great. Thank you for
golf,
having me back.
Yes, of course. Another golf vlog. We're over here at, where are we at, Tommy? Tell 'em.
Bruce Hills.
Bruce Hills in Romeo, Michigan.
Bruce Township.
Alright, I'm sorry. Anyways, we're about to tee off. League play. Thomas, just go first. Huh? Fun fact, I landed here and I have this whole gang up on me. Don't you dare, boys. Don't you dare. Just short. Just short, but we'll take that. We'll take that. Honestly, I thought you and I were at the same distance away, to be honest. So I'm a little upset that it's me, but it's fine.
Nice.
That was the worst part of my bogey of my life. Yes, Jordan. Who put that tree there, dude? Oh no! Yep. How you guys shooting?
Not good.
Not great.
I'm not good.
Tommy, you're having a...
This is my redemption hole. Watch this.
Alright, let's see it. Call me the fairway finder, except I'm on the wrong fairway, but it's fine. All right, that was the craziest golf shot of my life. I've never heard my golf clubs make it sound like that, but we're gonna save it. Kinda saved it, kinda not.
What?
Tommy Two Tones with the big 3-wood drive.
3-wood drive?
Yeah, didn't you drive with your 3-wood?
No.
You hit your driver?
Yeah.
Yo, this house goes absolutely crazy. I remember this hole because of that house every time. Someday we'll get there. Dude, that's twice now. 7-iron, absolutely just missing it. Sculling over the top like that. And just hitting line drives.
Okay.
Like I said, I topped that bad boy, but it's somewhat working. It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. Let's try to, you know, par this hole. Right at it. Right at it. Nice. Dude, normally I play par 3s really well, and like that's my saving grace in golf. I'm 0 for 2 right now. I have not hit a single green off the tee, but it's whatever. We're not in a bad spot. Could be worse, but could be better. All right, update. I did not save for par on that. Bogeyed again. The consistency is admirable. Borderline professional. Dude, I'm right there. Tommy's right there. Terrible drive.
Impressive with the hammer.
Okay. Last hole vibes. We're ready. This is only part 1.
So dirty.
But are they still on your hand?
It's not too bad right
Nah,
now.
but he literally, like, it looked like he was playing in mud. It was wild.
Oh, that's gonna be so good.
Nice. Yeah, nice little draw there, boy. Who needs a tee? Honestly, not too shabby. We're looking good. This is a great way to end the day. 2 solid drives. You can't beat that. Wow, that was my sand wedge. Went a little too hard on it, but the boys, some great shots there, boys. On a hole, let's go. Dude, stop. What are we doing? Why are we here? What is life? All right, Tommy.
This is
round's
Tommy
over.
Two Tone. I'm out. We'll see you next time.
What'd you shoot? What'd you shoot?
I don't want to talk about it.
51. Jordan, how'd you shoot?
I did all right. I shot a 39.
Wow, dude, quick humble brag. That was sick.
Well,
I didn't know it was a 39.
Yeah.
Dude, look at you go.
You know, it's just, you know, hard work, perseverance, dedication, a lot of money spent on, you know, new equipment. equipment and
Yeah.
things like that. And
Great
you know,
way-
we're just happy about being out here. Great friends, great times.
Nothing you can.
I love these guys to death. And him a little less
Yeah.
than Cheeks.
Thank you.
But we'll see you at the next one.
Yes, sir.
I as well shot a 51, a very solid round in the books with the boys. Very happy for today. This is a 1 of 2 part video series thingy because we're playing 2 courses today. So we're wrapping up this video here at Bruce Hills, and we're gonna see you at the next video, which is the next course we're playing in literally.
Francesco Pollaccia.
Oh, thank you so much. Autographs later.
So our round is in the books. Bruce Hills, thank you for having us out. We appreciate it. Very solid course. I shot a 51 on the day. Not great, but very much improved from the last time I played. So it is a W. But we are wrapping up this video. We have another video coming from today as well because we are going to play another 9 holes. We're absolute savages when it comes to golf. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications, send a video to a friend. You know the drill. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number 1. God bless.